Hello everyone, this is Chef Tom Carbone from Brookdale Premier Addiction Recovery right here in the Pocono Mountains. The demonstration we're going to do today is going to be clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. Right now in the health food markets, it's a big item that people used to cook with. They like it in their coffee. People on the keto diet are actually using it as part of their fat supplements. It's very expensive, ghee, in the food market stores. But today I'm going to demonstrate how to make it simple and easy at home, very inexpensively, using a high-grade butter. You can use beluga or a nice Irish butter. I'd recommend using unsalted, but that's what we're going to show today. As you see, simple 1 pound of butter that you can buy in any grocery store. So the easiest way for me to demonstrate this would be to cut it up into smaller cubes. Then I'm just going to place this in any small saute pan or saucepan. So we're going to put this on the stove at a slow simmer. We're going to bring it to a low boil. All the milk fat solids are going to settle to the bottom. The whey is going to float to the top. In the middle, we're going to have a pure clarified butter, also known as ghee. So as you bring this up to a low simmer, your whey and your impurities are going to float to the top. So what you want to do is just get a ladle and you just kind of skim that off. As you can see underneath that, you're going to start to have some nice golden colored clarified butter or ghee. So as you can see, this is your final product. It's a pure clarified butter, nice golden color. Looks like you'd want to pour this over your popcorn. That'd be a good keto option for you. So now for storage for your clarified butter is very simple. You can put it in any kind of Tupperware, any kind of soup container. This will last for over a month in your refrigerator. You can take it out as you need it. Stay tuned for more tips and more videos coming at you real soon.